I just made almost $1,500 on my birthday using the ORB strategy, and I'm going to teach you exactly how I did it. In this video, I'm going to teach you what the ORB is and how to find it on your chart. Also, we're going to learn about what break and retest is, and last but not least, we're going to learn about a flag. So the first things first we're going to talk about is the ORB. ORB simply stands for opening range breakout. Simply stated, my friends, my session begins at 9:30. So what the ORB does for me is that it will mark the high, the price action for the high for the first 15 minutes and the low for the first 15 minutes. All right, so the second thing I want to teach you today is what we call break and retest. So wherever you are right now, you have a ceiling above you, right? Think of your ceiling as a level on the chart. So in this case, what we're going to be looking for is a break of the ceiling or break of that level and then a retest. So think of now, once you broke through that ceiling, that used to be your ceiling is now your floor. So essentially you broke through the ceiling and now you're retesting that level to make sure it is sturdy and it can support you. So when we get that retest, we're looking for a continuation. All right, now the final thing I'm going to teach you is flag pattern. So in this case, my friend, we're going to be specifically talking about a bull flag. So a bull flag is characteristic or characterized by a uptrend and then a momentary consolidation and then a continuation in that said trend, okay? And we are able to take advantage of that consolidation in the desire that there will be a continuation. When we get that continuation, that will be our indication to get into the trade in a call. All right, y'all. So now we're going to actually go to the charts where I can actually teach you and you can actually see what we were able to do with this trade. Make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video so you can actually hear my actual thought process in the real time of us actually taking this trade. But before we get there, could you do me a quick favor and go ahead and give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it so far. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I do videos like this all the time. Education is my passion. And if you want to trade with me live, make sure you check out the link in my description. You can look at my screen and, you know, be a part of the family, right? So let's get right to the charts. All right, my friends, we're going to break down this Tesla trade. But before we get into that, I want to make sure y'all understand one thing, right? That trading is supposed to be simple. So if you're having a hard time and it's not making sense, it's not you. It's just that you have not found a simple strategy that is something that you can repeat day in and day out, which is cool. That's why you're here. So first things first, my friends, we're going to talk about critical levels, okay? So I like to draw critical levels every morning, and I also drop those in my Discord for my group Fresh every morning. 4 of those levels are pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's high, yesterday's low. Because we trade whatever the market gives us, right? We don't have to have a bias of the upside or the downside. So if we get, in this case, y'all, pre-market is around this area here in these dotted areas, and we get a clear break of pre-market high and also yesterday's high, okay? Yesterday's high right here. So my friends, once I see that, I am definitely looking at a possible interest in a call. So here at this point now, the market's open and we get clear break of all those levels, like I said. Then we get a little bit of a consolidation situation happen here. But what I want to point out to you is what we were for our entry. Once we got out of this range, I want to point out first and foremost, my friends, this is what you're here for, right? That ORB strategy. The ORB stands for opening range breakout. And what that simply means is that we're going to, this indicator marks the high of the first 15 minutes on price action and the low for the first 15 minutes, right? My high is going to be this green line here, and then the low is this red line here. And here's how you find that indicator. You simply go to the indicator tab right here, click on it, and you're going to type opening range breakout, right? And here you're going to get ORB. Simply click on it and it will add it to your chart, okay? So once you have the ORB on here, my friends, it is a strong level, and we do get a break here at the 956 candle, okay? And once we get a break of that, then we get the next thing that we're looking for, which is that bullish flag, okay? And we're getting this bullish flag form right here. And once we get this bullish flag, my friends, this is one of my indicators that I use to get into this trade. So we're getting into the trade at this candle right here, and then remembering that you simply put your stop loss on the other side of the entry. Remember, you do not get into a trade unless you know how you're going to get out. Once we're in this trade now, my friends, we have profit targets coming up next, right? You need to have profit targets. Profit targets are simply areas that you take profit for the work you've done thus far. And the reason you take profit there is because price has reacted there before and it may react again. And what do I mean react? You might get a bounce, you might get a reversal. And who wants to be in a trade that was working and green and then it goes against you and you don't know why? So here is another area where I take profits at this pivot level here at this 345 level. So I'm able to take profit here. So this is TP1. Okay. And then after I take profit here, I see another flag forming, my friends. I want this play to keep going. And what we see here, my friends, is another flag forming, which is a great place to, if you have not gotten into the trade, to get into the trade now, or if you, in my case, where I was already in the trade and up already, I was able to add on to a winning position because of the fact that I got another entry into this awesome trade. Okay. This bullish flag here, we got our entry candle here, and once again you just simply put your stop loss on the other side of the flag. Okay, and this is if you were already in the trade like how I was, you already took profit, you got another entry here right at this level here, and you're like I did, I was able to add on to this awesome winning trade. All right, now guys, I want to point out something real quick, is that this was no rocket science, right? There was nothing, no mathematical principles I had to put into practice, no formulas, my friends. I use this same strategy day in and day out. Trading should be simple. And guys, this is exactly what we're talking about in the group every day, right? We're literally talking this out, making it very clear for everyone in the group to see. But listen, my friends, if you cannot simply see or have found your strategy yet to be able to take a breath and actually use the stock market for what it's meant to be used for as a way to generate income, well, my friends, I hope, like I said, this video gives you some clarity to show you that, y'all, it's not something that should be hard and stressful. Right? It should be something that you can use, make an informed decision of getting into the trade. Okay, here's a little, because you my peoples, you've been rocking with me, a little something for you. If you want to trade Tesla, right, and you're like, ooh, Tesla is high. Tesla is high. Let me give you the cheaper cousin to Tesla, right? So if you see that Tesla is doing its thing, right, and you want to trade Tesla, but you're like, oh, it's too expensive, all you have to do is type TSLL, and this will give you that same look, the same movement as Tesla, but the premiums are a fraction of the cost of Tesla. Same big candle in the morning, right? Break of the ORB, right? Flag. Y'all see that? Same exact thing. So cool, right? So if you are saying Tesla is too expensive, go ahead and trade TSLL whenever Tesla's doing its thing. Thank me later. You're welcome. I appreciate you for watching. Don't tell nobody. Shh. It's between. So, y'all, we were able to get our second entry. So right now we're already up from the first position, head on to the second position, and look, boom, we're able to take profit here. Okay, on this trade, I had some folks were able to take their first profit, and I was so proud, right? That's a big accomplishment to say you've been able to take your first profit, and I love that. I love that for beginner traders. You don't have the desire to trade and just have not had the ability to actually understand what they're doing. Such a dope situation to be around individuals that are actually learning how to trade. So y'all, guess what you see here forming? Nothing but another flag, another awesome entry into this trade, another awesome entry. So if you did not get it in this first entry, second, you do have a third opportunity to get into this. Okay, so all we do, we get in right here at this, our entry candle. Stop loss is simply on the other side of the flag, and boom, another profit target here. What a lovely situation. A beautiful move. Beautiful. And listen, it's something that you can do day in, day out, my friends. Something you can do in, and you take the thinking out of it. You take the stress out of it, the anxiety out of it, right? When you have a simple strategy that you can follow, you know your tickers, you know your profit target, and you know your position size. These are ways for you to build longevity in the market and have the success that you've always desired. I know you're here because you have a desire to trade and you just wanted this way out. So listen, if this helped you, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I appreciate, letting me know, gives me the drive to keep making videos like this, because I make this for y'all. Let me know what you think. All right.
I'm looking at Tesla, y'all, for 338.70.
Above 338 call for 340, 345 calls.
Let me see.
All right, in Tesla.
I got in Tesla, y'all. Took a small size in Tesla. Let's see what happens.
In regards to the 200 though, Vivian, what you can do is use it as like the target You get what I'm saying?
I took a little bit off. It's at a critical level for Tesla.
You get what I'm
I took a
saying?
little bit.
If you were able to take Tesla or TSLL with us, put a 1 in the chat. Mm.
Good, guys.
All right. Good job, guys. Good work. Good work.
Happy birthday, Tanisha.
My birthday is these. That's my present. These ones in the chat right here. That's my present. Yes. See it, take it. Good job. As you're going, my friends, make sure you're taking profits as you go.
Oh, we in the news.
Oh, this is a 10 o'clock news candle.
Give me another push. This is beautiful, yo.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this is a good move. It's paid. It's paying.
Yeah. Yeah, BAC about to break out the ORB here now. My new friends that are here, make sure y'all are typing in the premium chat. I don't look at the Zoom chat. Sorry if you're typing. I'm so sorry.
You would take a little bit more off, y'all, if you have runners. This is a critical level on Tesla. I'm gonna take a little bit off, but still, just gonna get to that pivot. 345 too is like a whole number.
Yo, spy on the 2-minute. Yeah, spy on the 2-minute. Look good. 629 triggering now for re-entry in Tesla. Holding, make a new high of the day. Let's see if it can push. For 347.
Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
All right, re-entry triggered. Ooh, nice. Oh, wow. Let's go. Get up there. Ooh. My risk takers took that one.
Is there?
Yeah, my risk takers took that one. Shooks, look at that.
Like a slingshot.
So pretty. So I hope you learned something new, my friends. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And last but not least, if you're serious and you want to actually see my screen and, hear my thought process, if we trade live every day, basically, right? Go ahead and click the description box below and it'll have the details of how to join, or simply type Discord in the chat. Ask me questions, y'all. You don't know, I might make a video off of a question that you asked me. I love hearing your comments and your feedback. I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, and a blessed rest of the year.